and welcome to Soko Janja, where we tell you buy African to build a healthy Africa. My name is Scholastica Mugi, and today we're coming to you from Uhuru Market, which is situated in Jogoo Road, and specifically we are at the Block A, stall number 9, to talk to Mr. Stephen Gachengo of Mogast, who is the owner of Mogast Factory Services, dealers in school uniforms, sweaters, dust coats, overalls, dresses, and all kinds of children wear. And we're here to be talking to him, and he will be describing to us exactly how he gets to make these brilliant clothing, school uniforms, and how you can buy them, and also to specify for us the prices. So you're most welcome.
My name is Stephen Gachengo of Mogast. We have a business name which is Mogast Factory Services. We deal with all type of textile, especially school uniforms, and other type of school uniform like fleece jacket, sweaters, trousers, shorts, and all type of school uniform. We also do factory textile like overall, dust coat, etc. We are located at Uhuru Market, which is along Jogoo Road. We are in Block A, store number 9. And we have a few samples of what we make. This one is a fleece jacket, normally used in schools, especially during cold weathers. It is made of the highest quality material, and we make it ourselves here. And it's very popular with the school children. Yes, this is the front, and at the back we have the hood, which a child can use to cover the head during the cold season. Yeah, those who want it with the hood, we make with the hood. Those who want without the hood, we don't put the hood. But normally it is best when it has the hood. The hood has a pocket. When you are not using it, you can tuck it inside the pocket. And then when you need it, you just open the zip and remove the hood. We also make products for boys and girls brigade. Like now, this is the dress with the dress for girls brigade with the badges, and a cape for the girls brigade. It has the badge that is normally used for girls and boy brigade. This is for girls. We have another one for boys, and then normally we do it for churches. The Anglican Church, the PCA, and all type of churches in Kenya, we do them. Yeah, it's of the highest quality material, local materials. Normally there are materials which are imported, but they're not as good as our local material. It's a little expensive, but it's the best material. Yes. For boys, we make trousers and the shirt, and we also have the same design, the same material, high quality material. This is a shirt and a cape with the badges, and we also supply for boys throughout the country. And they're very high quality, and it is in very high demand. Local material, very high quality. This is an overall, normally for factories and other such uses. It is also made of local material. And we make them in different sizes according to the requirement of the customer. So we even do printing. If you want to put a logo on your design, we do put the logo, and we make it as per customer specification. We do printing and embroidery. This is a dust coat used by all type of people. It's the industrial dust coat. There is a hospital dust coat, the laboratory dust coat. We do make them with all type of colors, but we maintain the same quality of material from local suppliers. So we make them as per customer specification, and they are available anytime on request. Yes.
So why choose the locally made fabric?
You see, nowadays we have different type of materials in the market, and most people who don't know this type of material, they end up getting the wrong quality because we have cheap materials. By look of it, you may think it's the same, But who know that, those people who know that the rock material is the best, they insist on getting the rock material. They are durable, slightly expensive but durable. And they easy to maintain, to wash and everything. They don't fade with time. Yes.
So there you have it, our dear viewer. At Soko Janja, we go that extra mile to ensure you find quality for all that you need. So be it that freeze jacket, be it an overall, or you're looking for a lab coat, all you need to do is find us on Soko Janja. Our website is shop.ubrica.com. And if you want this team to come and showcase your product on Soko Janja, all you need to do is give us a call on +254 755 844 017. Again, the number is +254 755 844 017. Soko Janja, buy African to build a healthy Africa.